Is there a number in your head that feels impossible? A number that no matter what you do, your bank account just seems to slide away from? For so many, that number is $10,000. It feels like a mountain. But what if the mountain isn't made of money, but of fear? Of outdated wiring in your own brain? Let's talk about why your brain is your biggest financial obstacle and how you can finally win this mental game. Part 1. Your brain's ancient saboteur. This is the scarcity mindset. When you have little, your brain, the same brain that evolved to avoid starvation, sees every single dollar as food that will spoil. It screams, "Spend it now!" It's not a character flaw, it's a prehistoric survival mechanism on overdrive in a modern world. You're not bad with money. You're just listening to an ancient alarm bell that's constantly going off. Part 2. The secret identity swap. Saving your first $10,000 isn't a math problem. It's an identity crisis. You have to quietly fire the person you are, the spender, the person who reacts to life, and hire a new identity, the owner, the builder, the person whose first thought isn't, "What can I buy?" but "What can I create?" This is the real shift. The money is just the proof. Part 3. The Willpower Trap. You would never build a house on a foundation of sand. So why are you trying to build wealth on a foundation of willpower? Willpower is a muscle that gets tired. It fails. The only way to win is to build a system that doesn't require it. Automate your savings. Make the money invisible before your spending brain even knows it exists. This isn't discipline. This is a clever hack on your own psychology. Part 4. The purchase you can't see. When that money finally sits in your account, something quiet and profound happens. The background noise of financial anxiety just turns down. It's the first time you can think clearly. That $10,000 isn't just cash, it's cognitive bandwidth. It's the mental quiet to be creative, to be brave, to finally breathe. It's the best thing you will ever buy. So this journey isn't about punishing yourself. It's a psychological upgrade. It's about outsmarting your ancient brain, changing your identity, and building a system that does the work for you, all to purchase a feeling more valuable than anything you can order online: peace of mind. This is a deeply personal journey, so tell me in the comments, what's the biggest mental barrier for you? The scarcity panic or the struggle to see yourself as a builder? And if you're ready to understand more of these hidden patterns in your money and your mind, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button. We explore the psychology of money and success here, one sketch at a time. Drawn sense. Money, mindset, and systems made simple.